What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can trade cryptocurrency on the Revolut X app. So let's get started. Now first off, once you opened up your Revolut X account, this will be your default homepage. So from here you can deposit some money that you can use to trade cryptocurrency. So you can select between two options, cash or crypto. Both are tied to the original Revolut app. So in my case, let's select cash. And here Revolut X will automatically pull the data from your Revolut app, so you can see how much funds you have available on the Revolut app. So to transfer money from Revolut to Revolut X, you would just need to input, let's say, $5, then click preview, and then just confirm it. But there is also a different way, so you don't need to transfer any funds directly to your Revolut X app. So just go ahead and tap on the trade tab right here, and then select any cryptocurrency. So for example, let's say Ethereum. Now let's tap on buy. And here, as you can see, Revolut X automatically pulls my data from Revolut, and I can use my Revolut funds or my Revolut balance to purchase cryptocurrency on the Revolut X app. So let's say that I want to purchase 5 euros of Ethereum. Then I tap on preview order, and here you can see that funds would be taken from my Revolut account. Now if I tap confirm, this order will be confirmed and I will purchase 5 euros of Ethereum. So you also have this graph right here that you can use to navigate through the market. And if you scroll down, you also have the order book right here. So you have all the tools that you need to purchase some crypto on Revolut X. So once you purchase some crypto, you can tap on sell, and then you can sell that cryptocurrency. And now it's just up to you to find when you want to enter the market and when you want to sell your cryptocurrency and exit the market. So that's guys how you can trade crypto on the Revolut X app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.